Okay, so today we're going to be putting a backplate onto our phone. So first, we're going to remove the number card window. You're going to want to get a small flathead. It just goes on the side. You can pry it off. There are two screws, so we'll retract those. And this is our network. So we can see that it's marked with L1, K, A, L2. We're only going to be using L1 and L2, which are here and here, and they're marked on the network. So with your back plate, you're going to want to take these cords and thread them through this part. Pull the wires through and attach the back plate like this. You'll then secure it with your two screws there and there. The wires have wire management slots and can be fed through there. That keeps it away from the switch. So pull them through there, pull it tight. Then there's another wire management spot under here. We're going to pull them through there, and we're going to come up through the third one. Once our wires are in there, they're nice and safe. We can find red, and it is going to go here onto L1. We can retract the second screw. Make sure that it's not touching K or anything else. Tighten that down. Then we're going to get our green wire. And that is going to go here onto L2, which is directly above L1. We're going to retract that screw. And again, make sure that this spade is not touching anything else. Push it up against the other ones. And tighten that down. All this extra wire can be coiled up and fed under this other bundle, just to keep it safe. Black and yellow, we are not going to use. So, with a pair of scissors, you can just snip those off.
Go.
So scissors, snip that off. Make sure your wires are secured. And then put your shell back on as before. Put the screws down tight. The paper goes in first. Your window has two tabs on it. Tab 1 in, tab 2 in, and then press it flat.